Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about convincing your spouse to let you buy more blacksmithing tools.
So in the earlier days of me forging, when I was doing it as a hobby, it was very difficult to convince Jessica over here to my left to take and actually let me buy any tools. We always had to be in agreement on whatever we were purchasing. We had all of our money together in one location, and we always sat down and did a budget together. And always what was left out was Roy's tool budget. It might be $5 here or $10 there for the budget. And it was very difficult for me in the beginning stages of my blacksmithing career to actually buy tools.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, even when you were in HVAC, it was kind of hard for me to let you buy tools, just because I'm so miserly, and I guess I kind of see it frivolous if you have something already that you can make do with. But it's not always the efficient thing. And so that's kind of where Roy was able to convince me to let him buy more tools, is that he could show me where his efficiency would go up and his productiveness in the shop for the amount of hours he was spending out there would be increased.
And I've never let you down on that yet, have I?
No, you haven't.
No. So, I've bought some pretty expensive tools. Eventually, when you get on this type of rapport with your spouse, once again, you have to educate your spouse like you have to educate your customers in a way, about what it is that you actually do and why this is important to you. And 10 to 1 odds, your spouse is not that ugly, meaner on the other side of the fence that will never let you have any fun or never let you have anything good. It's just they don't understand what angle you're coming from. So it is your job as the smith, whether you're female, male, or whatever, it is your job to take and help bring your partner in on what you are doing and share with them that. So this way they can be educated about it and they don't feel like this thing is a method of contention between you two. Every time you bring up something like your blacksmithing addiction, or maybe she likes to, craft or knit or whatever, or maybe she likes to weld and she wants this new fantastic welder, and I'm like, I think that's a bit out of the budget.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. The other thing that helps make it an easier transition or easier thing to accept is when he was making sales, like he's actually selling something. So even if you don't want to do blacksmithing as a business per se, even if there's a little bit of things that you could sell that just help go back into funding your tooling, really makes it easier and makes it nicer, because you're putting the tooling you do have even more to work.
Yeah, and that was the biggest turning point for her. She may not say it, but that was the biggest turning point for her, was the day I started bringing home the bacon when it came to blacksmithing.
Yep.
So, anyways, that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We hope you all enjoyed this video.
And we appreciate you watching.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.